Ever dreamed of studying abroad? Fulfilling that dream often comes with a hefty price tag. Between tuition, living expenses, and plane tickets, the cost of an F1 visa can feel overwhelming. But before we dive in, remember this: following the rules is critical. Your F1 visa allows for on-campus employment, but working off-campus requires special permission. We'll stay clear of anything that might jeopardize your visa status. The good news is that there are tons of legal and lucrative side hustles ideally suited for F1 students. So, get ready to explore and unlock your earning potential. Before we jump into the video, let's introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a service provider offering registered agent services, business formation, and more. The company provides top-notch privacy protection and customer support from agents across the United States at an affordable rate. It's extremely easy to get started with LLC formation services at Northwest Registered Agent. You simply go to its website and elect for the company to complete the process for you. Then you'll select the type of business you want to form: LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. From there, you'll select your state and whether you would like to pay for a 7-day processing period or a 1-day period. After that, you'll only have to pay and submit basic documentation about you and your business, then the company will take it from there to get your business registered. Let's continue the video. First, number 1. Online tutoring. There's a huge demand for online tutors in a wide range of subjects, from math and science to history and even language learning. Students of all ages are looking for extra help, and you can be the one to provide it. You can rely on online platforms that connect tutors with students: Wizant, Chegg Tutors, and VIP Kid. Each platform caters to different subjects and age groups, so you can find the perfect fit. Just adjust your tutoring hours. Plus, you can work from anywhere with a decent internet connection. Your dorm room becomes your office. Then, number 2. Freelance writing and editing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing and editing might be your perfect side hustle. The online market for freelance writing and editing is booming. Businesses, bloggers, and even other students need help with content, ensuring their writing is clear, concise, and error-free. But where can you get started? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect writers and editors with clients. You pick the projects that interest you, set your rates, and work on your schedule. It's perfect for fitting writing gigs around your studies. Number 3. Social media management. A solid social media presence is crucial for businesses in today's digital world. Imagine it as a 24/7 storefront, constantly connecting with customers and promoting products or services. Businesses need help creating content that grabs attention. As a social media manager, you'll master many trades. You might craft catchy tweets that spark conversation, design eye-catching graphics that stop users scrolling, or even respond to customer comments on Facebook. So, social media management could be for you if you're a social media pro who loves staying on top of trends and engaging with online communities. Why Northwest Registered Agent should be your preferred registered agent? Having exceptional expertise in shaping the entrepreneurial dream for thousands of founders, we have gained strategic insights into what it takes to be a registered agent for businesses. Therefore, our superior registered agent services allow you to focus on your core businesses while we handle government correspondence on your behalf. Sign up today to see the difference a responsible registered agent can bring to your business. 4. Virtual Assistant Services. Virtual assistants, VAs, provide clients with administrative, technical, and creative support. Think of them as online personal assistants, tackling tasks that free up the client's time and energy. Platforms like Zirtual and Fancy Hands connect skilled VAs with businesses seeking support. You choose the projects that match your skills and interests, allowing you to build a customized workload that fits your schedule. Being a VA also helps you develop valuable skills beyond your side hustle. You'll become a master communicator, keeping clients informed and projects on track. Number 6. Selling crafts and handmade goods. Here's a side hustle that lets you turn your passion into profit: selling handmade goods online. There's a vast market for handcrafted items, from knitted scarves to hand-painted mugs. You can start with platforms like Shopify and other online marketplaces that connect you with a global audience of potential customers. But remember, quality is key. The demand is for well-made, unique items, so ensure your crafts are polished and professional-looking. Take high-quality photos from different angles to showcase your creations in their best light. Explore social media marketing to spread the word about your shop. 7. Language tutoring. There's a booming demand for language tutors, especially native speakers. People from all walks of life are eager to learn new languages for business, travel, or simply connect with a different culture. Several online platforms connect language tutors with students worldwide. Popular options include Italki and Verbling. These platforms cater to a diverse range of languages, so you can share your native language expertise or even offer tutoring in a language you've mastered through your studies. Imagine helping a Japanese businessperson practice his English for an upcoming presentation. It's a rewarding experience that lets you share your language skills while learning about different cultures. The demand for tutors in niche languages can be even higher. You can specialize in your unique linguistic skill set and attract students eager to learn from you. Then, number 8. Content creation. Ever dreamt of having your own online audience and making profits off it? Platforms like YouTube and TikTok are booming, offering a creative outlet and the potential to earn some serious cash. To start with, you can create content based on your student life experiences, like navigating dorm life or surviving finals week. Do you have a unique hobby, like model rocketry or historical reenactment? Once you build your audience, the money starts rolling in. Here's how: advertising allows companies to display ads on your channel or blog, earning you a share of the revenue. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services. You earn a commission when someone clicks your unique link and buys something. Number 9. Online course development. The world of education is undergoing a digital revolution. Online learning platforms like Udemy and Skillshare are changing how people access knowledge. This exciting trend presents a unique opportunity for you, the F1 student, to develop and sell online courses based on your expertise. Developing your online course is easier than you might think. Various platforms offer user-friendly tools to structure your content, upload video lectures, and create quizzes to test learner understanding. Once your course is ready, marketing becomes crucial. Utilize social media platforms to spread the word about your course. Last and finally, number 10. House sitting and pet sitting. House sitting and pet sitting are flexible gigs. Both allow you to earn extra cash while enjoying a comfortable and familiar setting. Imagine caring for a beautiful houseplant collection and watching a charming cat while the owners are on vacation. That's the essence of house sitting. You get to stay in a comfortable home, ensuring everything runs smoothly while the owners are gone. Pet sitting can involve daily visits to feed, walk, and play with furry friends. Several online platforms connect house and pet sitters with homeowners and pet owners. Popular options include Rover and Trusted House Sitters. You can browse listings based on location, pet type, and desired tasks, finding gigs that match your preferences and availability. Remember, house and pet sitting are all about trust. You'll be responsible for someone's home and their beloved pets. Now, let's talk about if you're considering business formation. So, you've mastered the art of the side hustle, and your online store or freelance gigs are booming. But with success comes a new question: should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets, like your laptop or craft supplies. This is a significant advantage for F1 students. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. Forming an LLC is easy. There are two options for forming your LLC. You can hire a professional LLC formation service to set up your LLC, for a small fee. Or, choose your state from the list below to start an LLC yourself. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. Northwest offers to walk you through the formation process for free. When you make a free account with Northwest, you'll be given online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthrough, and company document creation. All you'll have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee, plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below.